Hello, Ronnie boy. I'm awfully tired. Yeah, I got my cows milked already, and there's some farmers around here. They'll be milking for another 2-3 hours yet, but I got mine done. But I had kind of a neat experience. This family stopped in and made me feel real good how nice my farm looks. She says the lawn is manicured, your trees are pruned, the barn is red, everything looks just nice. But we can smell this farm smell. I said, well, this is a dairy farm. He says, are you the one who owns it? I said, yes, I am. He says, how much help do you hire? He said, what? It's my farm. I run it. and he said, well, we're just up here vacationing from Illinois. I says, don't get me started on that. Now, would you like a tour? I just got done milking. You can see that on my overalls. You get dirty when you're working on a farm. And he says, well, my kids has never been on a dairy farm. Well, come on in. He says, but you keep very good track of them because a farm is a dangerous place. And I'm not going to be responsible if your children likes to run around on it. You keep close track of them. I showed them the milk house. I showed them my big old milk cooler. I said, this much milk in here is picked up 2 times a day. This big old thing full of it. The milk truck driver has to come twice a day. It's not the guy who delivers milk to our house. I said, no, this is the guy who picks up milk from my farm. I said, my cows are still in the barn. I'm going to let them out yet, but if you want to come in and see them, you certainly can. And I took them in there, and I showed them. They said, it stinks. Yeah, you're probably right. I probably stink too, because I just got done milking them. And I said, who would like a ride in a tractor? You're not going to like the smell there either. I got to haul out manure, and if you like a ride in a great big green old tractor, come on with me. Your dad can come with me. And there's room in there. You lay got a great big old cab on the tractor, and you can lay the seat down, and you got a place for somebody else to sit. And okay, so I took them all for a ride. They didn't like the smell, but they found out what a dairy farm was like. They found out where their milk comes from. And I didn't stop there. I says, I didn't have much to eat today. You're on vacation? Come up to visit a dairy farm? I'm going to show you a little bit something. I went up, opened up my grill, fired it up. I says, how would you like a good farm dinner? And I said, I gotta eat anyway. So I put some burgers and brats on there. You come from to Wisconsin, you gotta have brats. And then hamburgers. And I says, you come to a dairy farm, you're gonna have cheese. He says, where will we get some good cheese? I said, well, I don't sell it here. I don't even make it. All I do is make the milk. And he says, we're going to be back in touch with you. And he says, here's $100 for all the pleasure you gave us today. I said, well, you're not done eating yet. You got some brats there. I'm not going to give any beer because you have to be doing some driving because you're not staying here. He says, no, this food is good. I said, well, that's what you get when you come to Wisconsin Dairy Farm. I know how to cook. I know how to make the milk. And I appreciate having your company. He says, I've never known anybody who treated us this nice. I said, you never visited a dairy farm before, did you? He says, no, actually we haven't. I said, well, you caught me in a good mood. You won't want to see me when I'm mad. He says, I don't think you could ever get mad. Just made me feel so good. Somebody stopped in, showed their little children what a Wisconsin dairy farm is like. I gave them a ride in the tractor. They seen my cows. They understood what a farm smells like. I showed them how I feed them, the cows, you know, and the guy gave me $100. Of course I gave him their supper. Okay, this is Ronnie Boy Show. Come visit me sometime.